Three Billy Goats Gruff. Once upon a time, there were 3 billy goats named Gruff. They lived in a lush green meadow that had everything they needed to survive, except for one thing: the grass on the other side of the river was even greener and more delicious. The problem was that there was only one bridge that crossed the river, and under it lived a nasty troll who wouldn't let anyone pass. One day, the smallest billy goat Gruff decided to cross the bridge, and the troll stopped him, saying, "Who is that trip-trapping over my bridge?" The little goat replied, "It's me, the tiniest billy goat Gruff. I'm going to the other side of the river to eat the green grass." But the troll, who was hungry and wanted to eat the goat, said, "I'm going to eat you up." The little goat, being quick-witted, said, "Oh, please don't eat me. Wait for my brother, who is bigger and fatter than me. He will make a better meal for you." The troll, thinking that the bigger goat would be a more satisfying meal, let the little goat pass. The middle-sized billy goat Gruff then came to the bridge and was also stopped by the troll, who threatened to eat him up. But the middle-sized goat, like his little brother, used his wit and said, "Oh, please don't eat me. Wait for my brother, who is the biggest of us all. He will make a much better meal for you." The troll, thinking that the biggest goat would be the most delicious, let the middle-sized goat pass. Finally, the biggest billy goat Gruff arrived at the bridge. When the troll tried to stop him, the big goat said, "I'm the biggest billy goat Gruff, and I'm not afraid of you. Get out of my way, or I'll use my horns to throw you into the river." The troll, who was frightened by the big goat's fierce voice, quickly retreated under the bridge, and the 3 billy goats Gruff were able to cross the bridge and reach the lush green field on the other side. From that day on, the 3 billy goats Gruff could eat as much delicious grass as they wanted, and the mean troll never bothered them again.